Jong hilarious daughter, Serena, continues to melt hearts with her cuteness and talents. The 2-year-old just debuted her first ever music video for her song cover of Frank Sinatra's classic hit, Fly Me to the Moon. On March 12, Jong uploaded Serena's music video on his official YouTube channel. In the description, he mentioned that his daughter had been singing the song since she was 1 year old. In the 2-minute music video, Serena adorably sings in a studio. Of course, Jong and her mother, Maya Leviste Azores, also made an appearance, giving her some love. In June 2023, the It's Showtime host shared a cute video of them jamming together to Fly Me to the Moon. Jong has been proudly showcasing Serena's singing and dancing skills, spreading good vibes to netizens.